The confetti has settled, and the reality of the spring semester is setting in. If your New Year's resolution is to stop drowning in messy notes and heavy textbooks, you don't need a new brain. You need a better system. In 2026, the gap between laptops and tablets is gone. Buying an iPad is easy. Making it productive is the real secret to a 4.0 GPA. I tested dozens of gadgets to build the ultimate campus iPad setup. Lightweight, budget-friendly, and ready for those AM lectures. First, fix the screen. Writing on bare glass feels terrible. Your handwriting suffers and your hand gets tired. A matte paper Feels screen protector adds friction like real paper and reduces glare in bright libraries. Next, typing. The Magic Keyboard looks great, but it doesn't detach easily. That's why the Logitech Combo Touch is better for students. You can remove the keyboard to read or sketch, and it has serious drop protection for campus life. Now, the biggest problem. Storage. Most students buy the base iPad. By mid-semester, storage is full. Skip monthly cloud fees. Get a USB-C portable SSD. In 2026, they're tiny, fast, and even handle video editing. Finally, presentations. One port isn't enough. You need a 7-in-1 USB-C hub with HDMI and charging support. You will be the only one who can connect and charge at the same time. So, can an iPad replace a laptop in 2026? For many majors, yes. With the right accessories, your semester becomes lighter, cleaner, and stress-free. All links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.